How to add or remove Apple Watch mirroring to accessibility shortcuts on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, we tap on Settings. Then in the main settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Accessibility. After that, we go down and in here, we tap on Accessibility Shortcut. Now at the top here, tap on Apple Watch mirroring. Tap on it to select it. Once it is selected, it will be added to the accessibility shortcut menu. So here, if I triple click on the side button, you can see it shows Apple Watch mirroring in the accessibility shortcuts. Now if I remove that, then it will be removed from the menu. And that's it. After that, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.